Hi Wildcats, my name's Chris.
My name is Salome.
And my name is Felicity, and we're with the Campus Sustainability Fund.
Today we're with the University of Arizona's School Garden Workshop at the Sprouts House, which is their education and training headquarters.
The School Garden Workshop secured funding from the Sprouts Healthy Communities Foundation to renovate 2 historic houses into instructional spaces. In 2024, the Campus Sustainability Fund provided additional support to help install rainwater harvesting systems throughout the property.
Today, we're looking forward to learning more about the history, vision, and sustainability features of this space from the School Garden Workshop team. Come on, I think they're waiting for us. Let's go.
Hey, welcome to Sprouts House. Come on in. I'm Moses Thompson, the director of the University of Arizona School Garden Workshop. We are a collaborative partnership between the Tucson Unified School District and the University of Arizona. And we run an internship program where we work with University of Arizona students, teaching them how to grow food, how to work with kids. We put them together and send them out into school gardens all over Tucson. We're here today in Sprouts House. This is our new program hub. If you were here 6 months ago, this space would not look like it does today. These houses were boarded up. They were filled with feral cats, but we could see the bones of the houses were beautiful, and we started to daydream. And now they're beautiful spaces where we work out of. This is our collaborative workspace, and so this is where we host our weekly team meetings. This is where we do our advisory board meetings, and we do workshops for teachers and for students in this space. This room is just gorgeous. It has the original oak floors. We furnished it to the period of the houses, and so these are 1920s houses, and we outfitted them with 1920s furniture. To me, those details are important. On these houses, we worked in partnership with the State Historic Preservation Office, and so these are historical registered buildings, and so to be able to match the details to the outsides to the inside, I think makes it extra special. All right, welcome to the Sprouts House Culinary Cottage. We call this project Sprouts House because we're working in partnership with the Sprouts Healthy Communities Foundation. Sprouts and the Sprouts Farmers Markets have been incredibly generous to partner on this project to make good things happen in the community. This is our food literacy hub for all of the work we do within the School Garden Workshop. What we have here is we have a culinary education center and commercial kitchen. We use this space for culinary instruction, like what you can see behind us. These Mansfield Middle School students are taking some of the fava beans that we've harvested in our gardens across all the schools that we work with. Today they're shelling beans and they're roasting beans, and so I can smell the beans cooking right now. So Sprouts House for us has particular significance because we've never had our own space before. We're guests, we go into schools and we work in their gardens, but now to have our own dedicated culinary space. We can grow food out in the schools, harvest the food, bring it back into this space and do culinary education. We're walking distance from the University of Arizona, so now every year more than 100 University of Arizona interns will come here to receive formal training in food production, culinary, social emotional learning in the garden, art integration in the garden. And so we finally have a space that's dialed in for us to teach our University of Arizona interns. So as you can see, we also have art hanging in the windows because we're getting ready to transition not just this house, but both houses and everywhere across Sprouts House into an art gallery. Every year we do a gallery exhibition where the students are out in their school gardens creating artwork. Our amazing staff member, Maria Solis, runs the program. She teaches the art and then she curates the art show. All right, let's go outside and see some of our outdoor spaces. So out here we have our garden classroom. This is actually the space where we can accommodate the most learners. It's our largest space. We also, on the outdoor spaces, have a lot of sustainability features that were made possible by the University of Arizona Campus Sustainability Fund. One of the pieces that they funded for us was extensive rainwater harvesting. That's going to happen throughout the campus. So all of the roof structures here at Sprouts House will capture and collect rainwater that we can use in our agricultural spaces. We have students right now working on our greenhouse, and so we're going to have a production greenhouse where we can grow all of our vegetable starts, not just for here at Sprouts House, but to broadcast across the university. Come see our gardens and fruit trees. We really took sustainability seriously as we built out this campus. We have evergreen trees along the north. We have our deciduous trees along the south to maximize both shade and sun where we need it. And then we have our vegetable gardens in the background. So right now we're finishing the greenhouse up, but we're really excited about this space. It's a really nice greenhouse that are built and engineered for extreme weather. We're going to be able to do plant propagation at scale and really have a deep impact on the community because we can grow the right varieties of plants that do well here at the right times of year and then pair them with training that goes out into the community to really dummy-proof gardening for people who might not know how to garden. And so here at the front of the houses, we've got a series of 4 cisterns that are going to be daisy chained together. These capture all of the rainwater that fall on the roofs. We're going to plumb them down from the downspouts. They'll be wet systems, and so the water will come from underground and fill from the bottom up. And all of this was made possible by our friends at the Campus Sustainability Fund, and we're really excited to partner with CSF because they do amazing projects across campus and across the community, and we feel like this falls right in line with their mission. Here at Sprouts House, we grow a lot of food that takes a lot of water, and so it's amazing to catch water from the sky and pump it into our gardens because rainwater is better water. It's pH neutral, it doesn't have any salt or hard water in it, and it grows plants better. Spaces like this are incredibly important because it brings the campus to the community. Here we are, just a stone's throw away from the University of Arizona, but we're on the doorstep of Mansfield Middle School, and here we have 1,000 K-12 learners that have access to this site. We can bring in families and community members to experience the programming that starts off at the university. It's also a place where we can take university students and get them off of campus and get them doing hands-on, hands in the dirt learning to teach them agriculture in the desert Southwest, to teach them sustainability and permaculture, to teach them about the culinary traditions here. And they can take that inspiration and that learning and they go out and do their internships across the region.
Thank you so much for joining us on this tour of Sprouts House with the School Garden Workshop.
If you want to learn more about this project, our other projects, or what the Campus Sustainability Fund does, then you can visit us at our website. Thank you.